Hi, my name is Kamaya Simpson, born July the 27th, 1991, age 20. What does it take to be a survivor? Of course, me. I am a challenger. I am a defender. I am trustworthy. I am the person you need on your team. No denial, respect. I can do it. I know I can. I put faith first, God first at all times. I'm a survivor. You need me on this show. You can't do it without me, so put me on this show. Won't let you down. Won't let you down. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Because I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Yeah. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I'm the strongest. I have the will. I have the power. Undefeated. Put me on this show. I'm strong. Undefendable. You can't defeat me. Put me on the show. Put me on the show. Put me on the show. What else do you need besides a female like me? Strong, trustworthy, and reliable. You need me, man. You need me. Put me on this show. You need a bad red or a red hair like me. Put me on this show because I am a survivor. Don't laugh at me. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here, Coco. I'm recording, dude.